पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
सदाशिवसमारम्भां ज्ञानसम्बन्धाचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis. Let's move to the satsang subject, yogic strategies for health. Asanam. Asanam means stiram sukham asanam, where your muscles are completely comfortable and stable with each other. I tell you, living where the intelligent people are living itself is such an extraordinary thing in your life. I tell you, in any field you want to excel, decide to live in that ambience. No, ambience makes tarana happen in your life. See, it's like many of our great souls, they have not become enlightened immediately. They went to Swarga and Kalpagala Paryanta. They lived in Swarga and enjoyed, and then they moved to Kailasha to live the enlightenment, to enjoy the moksha, Shivaloka Prapti. At least be authentic. Nothing wrong. See, there are some people who never get the opportunity to choose the place where they are supposed to live. They are born in some rural slums or villages and live in thatched huts, die there itself. Forget about them. It is their choice. But consciously, whoever can choose your place of living, choose based on your clearance. Because your place, the place where you are going to stay, is the major decision you are doing to make your clearance into reality or destroy. Please understand. Your decision about the place where you are going to stay is an important component of Tarana. Tarana means constantly being reminded and supported about the new clearances you create. And please understand, you can't be stagnant with any one clearance. Let me be very open. Today, if you have the clearance, I am the clearance of truth and joy. It will be so alive, vibrant in you. After 3 days, the same clearance will not be exciting. Now it is time to have a new clearance. But unfortunately, any clearance you yourself pick up for you, after 2 days or 3 days, you will not have respect for it. Maybe second time, third time, the clearance you pick up, you will have little respect. Fourth time, you know after 4 days it is going to lose power over you. Or you are going to lose power over it. That is why, once in every few days, I go on initiating you in new clearances. New clearances. See, clearance means bringing a new vibrating dimension of your own consciousness to your awareness. All your clearances are there in you as a seed, but bringing them to your life. So understand, I am using a word. Many of the intelligent dimensions of your consciousness, bringing them to your awareness. From awareness to consciousness process is called meditation. From consciousness to awareness, process is called clearance. Pratyagatma Chaitanya Jagrata, awakening your individual consciousness specifically for certain experience or power is clearance.
Inner awakening is stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, March 13th to April 2nd, 2013. Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact 097422 Email ia@nityananda.org.
Hello, my name is Brenda Tapia. I'm coming from Mexico City, and I work with children in Mexico. Basically, I'm starting spiritual education programs, and I'm working for that. I came here to Inner Awakening. It's been almost 19 days over, and I have to say that this experience has been amazingly fulfilling. I didn't have a lot of expectations, but I think I'm reaching like the highest ever I have ever found. In fact, I came here because a friend told me about the program, but I witnessed in him a very, very big transformation. So it was very inspiring. And now every day I am feeling very, very graceful. Of course, I'm going through a very intense process, but at the end, I mean, every day I'm reaching the sky. I'm very happy to be here. In the healing sense, I think my physical body is much lighter. Like, I used to do yoga, but I'm feeling like all my spine is like very, very long now. I'm also feeling in terms of my weight is just getting like in a perfect balance. I'm getting much clear of what I want. And I have been waiting many lifetimes to get into this program. I'm just very grateful about it. And I just want to invite everybody that has this opportunity. Don't miss it, and don't put excuses. Because whatever investment you want to do, whatever idea you want to do that is better than this, I'm sure it's not. So it's just want to finish to say that I'm just feeling like a graceful person. I'm just feeling on the perfect moment, and never I had such a healing thing just because of the Master is here, because of the Master's presence. I have gone in about 10 years in a process of spiritual awakening, but this is the turning point, definitely.
Mystery school is nothing but constantly adding different clearances to your consciousness. Usually you go to a guru who has one clearance and it clicks with you, and you work with him for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, then you realize you are done with him, and suddenly you go to another guru. He has some other clearance and you work with that and it clicks you, and you are all excited, and again your love is flowering, life and beautiful, and after 2 years again you are done with that clearance, then you move. No other way, it is natural. Hinduism is group of clearances. It is not one clearance. That is why each clearance is independently intelligent enough to lead you to the ultimate. Each tradition is one clearance, is one method for the Chaitanya Jagrata, conscious awakening, inner awakening. The Sanskrit word for clearance is Pratyekatma Chaitanya Jagrata. And if you translate that word into English, Pratyekatma Chaitanya Jagrata, inner awakening. Incarnation's job is go on giving clearances, constantly having new clearances, which does not contradict with each other, is the job of incarnation, is the space of incarnation. I tell you, the place where you decide to stay plays a very important role. Because this every day, new clearances being added to your system, the Tarana happens in you if new clearances are added to your system. There was a time, waking, deep sleep, dream state, that was the main theme of my satsang. There was a period, the Siddhas and Siddha tradition was the clearance of my satsang. There was a period, omens and portents of death, and living and postponing death, that was the clearance of my satsang. There was a time, TPS, thoughts per second, used to be the main theme of my satsang. Not out of ego or pride, all known gurus are nothing but any one of these clearance. Understand? Look with authenticity, honestly. All known gurus are nothing but this one clearance. They have mastered that. They are helping people to master that. That's it. And every clearance to its depth. I wanted to define incarnation. Incarnation is a person who leads you one step certain into certainty in all uncertain subjects. Who leads you into further certainty in all subjects of uncertainty. All uncertain subjects leading you one step further into certainty is the job of incarnation. Understand? When a next incarnation comes, he will lead you one step further into that certainty. I am keeping the possibility open. I don't want to say I am the last incarnation. No. I am very clear. I am neither the only Son of God nor the last prophet. I only want to tell you again and again and again. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuddanam adharmasya tatatmanam srujamyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Krishna says clearly, to destroy the negativity and to awaken the positivity, establish the ultimate way of life, I happen again and again. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.